Good morning. In the previous lecture, we talked about addition of binary numbers. Now, let us talk about subtraction of binary numbers. To do subtraction of binary numbers, we have to follow few rules. Let me write these rules that we have to use for subtraction of binary numbers. Subtraction of binary numbers is just similar to subtraction of decimal numbers. The difference is only of the symbols and the radix. The rules are, if inputs are only 2, this will be the subtraction, this will be borrow, zero minus 0, subtraction 0, borrow 0, 0 minus 1, subtraction 1, borrow 1, 1 minus 0, subtraction is 1, borrow is 0, 1 minus 1, subtraction 0, borrow 0. So, whenever you are subtracting one bit from the other bit, whenever only 2 bits are involved in the subtraction, we have to follow these rules. But when there are 3 bits in the subtraction like this, A minus B, here A minus B minus C, this is the subtraction, this will be the borrow. 0 minus 0 minus 0, subtraction 0, borrow 0, 0 minus 0 minus 1, subtraction 1, borrow 1, 0 minus 1 minus 0, subtraction 1, borrow 1, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 0 minus 1, subtraction 1, borrow 1, 1 minus 1, subtraction 0, 1 minus 0 minus 0, subtraction 1, borrow 0, 1 minus 0 minus 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1, subtraction 0, borrow 0, 1 minus 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 0 minus 0, so subtraction 0, borrow 0, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 0. And lastly 1 minus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 0 minus 1, subtraction 1, borrow 1. So, whenever you are subtracting 3 bits at a time this way, we have to use these rules. This is the first table for rules of subtraction when only 2 bits are involved. This is the second table for rules of subtraction when 3 bits are involved. Let us remember these rules, and with the help of these rules, let us work out a few examples of subtraction of binary numbers. First example, "17 minus 11 in decimal is 6. Let us go for binary. 16 is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. We want 17. Replace this 0 by 1. 11, 1, 0, 1, 1. 2 to the power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 to the power 4, 16 plus 1, 17. This is 3, 1, 2, 3. 2 to the power 0, 1, 2, 3. 2 to the power 3 is 8. 8 plus 3, 11, 11. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 1, 1 with borrow 1. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 1, 1 with borrow 1. 0 minus 1, 1 with borrow 1. 1 minus 1, 0 with borrow 1. 1 minus 1, 0. That is what? 6. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 1, subtraction 1, borrow 1. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 1, subtraction 1, borrow 1. 0 minus 1, borrow 1, subtraction 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. And so the answer is 6. We got the answer 6. Let us go to other example. (24.75) minus 12.25. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 2, 5. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Answer is 12.5. Let us write this number here, 24. Let me first write 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 to the power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 to the power 4 is 16. Okay. Then 16 plus 8 is 24. 1, 2, 3. Replace this 0 by 1. It is now 24. Binary point 1, 1. 2 to the power minus 1, 1 by 2. 2 to the power minus 2, 1 by 4. 1 by 2 is 0.5. 1 by 4 is 0.25. 0.5 plus 0.25, that will be 0.75. Here 12. For 12, what I have to write? 1, 1, 0, 0. This is 8, this is 4. 8 plus 4, 12.01. 9. Now do the subtraction. 1 minus 1, 0. And then 1 minus 0, 1, binary point 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 1, 1 with borrow 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 0 minus 1, 1 with borrow 1, 1 minus 1, 0. What is the answer here? 12.50. What is the answer here? 1100.10. This is 4, this is 8, 12 is correct. Here it is 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. So it is 0.5. This is the subtraction. Let us go for one more example. (22) minus 100, 2 minus 0, 2, 2 minus 0, 2, 2 minus 1, 1. How to go for this? 222. We know powers of 2. 1, 4, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. After 128, 256. So we have to go to 128. How to write 128? 1 followed by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, to the power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 to the power 5 is 32, 32 into 2, 64, 64 into 2, that will be 128. So correct, it is 128. From 222, let us take out 128. 12 minus 8, 4, borrow 3, 12 minus 3, 9, borrow 1 plus 1, 2, 2 minus 2, 0. 94 are still left. Let us add 64. 64 will be 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 to the power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the power 6 is 64. Take away 64 from this 0, 3. We have to put 30. How to put 30? To put 30, we shall go for 16 first. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. 14 is left. 1, 1, 1, 0. And so, I have to put 1 here. 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 It will be 222. Even we can verify. 1, 2, 4, 8, 32, 64, 120 to the power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 16, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 0 is here, 1, 2, 3, cancel this, 0 is here, cancel this, add remaining. 128 plus 64, 8 plus 4, 12, 9, 1, this is 20, this is 10, 30, 2, 2, 2. So, this is 222, right. After that, let us go for 100. To go for 100, we have to first go for 64, and that is what? 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, to the power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, to the power 6 is 64. Okay. From 100 we have taken 64 here, and now what is left? 100 minus 64 is 36. For that, let us consider 32, and 32 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, to the power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to the power 5 is 32. From 36, 32 is taken, what left? 4, 1, 0, 0. So, I have to take 1 here, then I have to take 1 here, and that will be corresponding to 100. Let us see whether it is correct or not. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 0, cancel weight 0, cancel weight 0, cancel weight 0, cancel weight. Now 64 plus 4, 68, 68 plus 2, 70, 70 plus 3, 100. So, this is 100, correct. And now put me here 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, correct. Let us do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 0 minus 1, 1 with borrow 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 0 minus 1, 1 with borrow 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Our answer is 122. Let us verify whether it is 122. Weight of this is 1, of this is 2, of this is 4, weight of this is 8, weight of this is 16, weight of this is 32, 64, 128. 0 is here, cancel corresponding weight, 0 is here, cancel corresponding weight, 0 is here, cancel corresponding weight, add remaining. 64 plus 2, 66, 66 plus 30, 96, 96 plus 2, 98, 98 plus 8, 106, 6 plus 17, 22. So, this is 122. So, this subtraction is also correct. Let us go to few more examples. Example number 4, 111.11. Okay, 111.75 minus 11.75 in decimal. 5 minus 5, 0, 7 minus 7, 0, decimal point, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 as it is. This is decimal point here. This is in decimal number system. Let us do this in binary number system. And so we have to first go for 64, 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 to the power 0 1 2 3 4 5. It is 32, 64. This is 32. 64 plus 32 is how much? It is 96. We want 111. 4 and 11, 15 are left. 1 2 3 4. So I have to put 1 here, then I have to put 1 here, then I have to put 1 here, then I have to put 1 here, and then I have to put 1 here, and for this 0.75 just put 1 1. This is corresponding to 2 to the power minus 1. This is corresponding to 2 to the power minus 2. That will be 0.5. It will be 0.25. Sum of these two will be 0.75. Fractional part is correct. What about this part? What we need this 111. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Weight corresponding to 0 cancelled. It is 96, 100, 10, 11. So it is correct. 111.11 minus 11.75, and that will be 1011. 8 plus 3, 11.11. Do the subtraction. 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, binary point 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0 0 1 1. What is the answer? Answer is 100.0. So let us see whether it is 100.0. Weight corresponding to this is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Cancel the weights corresponding to 0. This is cancelled, this is cancelled, this is cancelled. 64 plus 32, 96. 96 plus 4. Okay, this is also 0. So this 8 is to be cancelled again. So what left? 64, 32, 4. 64 plus 32, 96. 96 plus 4, 100. And so this is the correct answer. This way you have to perform. It is not much difficult. You need practice. As you do more and more practice, the subtraction will be very, very simple. Try more problems at home. Hope you understood how to do subtraction of binary numbers. Thank you.